Welcome back, YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially even into the US session. We're going to go ahead and take a look at some levels here on S&P and also on gold. Was going to do NASDAQ tonight, but I do got to do a quick one here. So we're going to stick to S&P 500 and gold, give you guys some levels to play off of. And if into the US session we have the same levels, we can go ahead and use them as well to play off some trades. Now, let's take a look at S&P 500. We did have a nice drop move. Some really good areas of resistance did target our level up at 3410, which we did double top here at this top side, and then we started to head down. All right, so we could see even in today's movement, we could see that the market did break below a significant level, which is going to be our 81s, and we started to head down. Now, we do have strong support sitting at that 57. Markets tried to pull down, and then we did get a failure to do that and pop right back up. I do believe that S&P 500 may be heading back first into these 7450s. That's our first level of interest. See if we can fail this level and come back down. If not, we're going to be looking at price to move back, not magnetize, but move back into somewhere around those 81 to 82s. Now, if we get back up there, you'll see 88 and then above that, but we are going to look for price to first stall either at these 74s, 75s, and then maybe make its move down from there. And if we can't get a new low, then we'll look for the price to get up to these 80, 81s, and then try to make its move from there. We are in a bearish trend, so best type of trades are going to be the ones to the downside, but that is what we're going to be looking for on that downside move. Do have a level underneath these 57s, which is somewhere around these 45 to 47. So just put it 46 right in the middle of that. That's going to be somewhere around this area. So if we do get underneath these 57s, probably going to look for price to drift down into this level here. So we'll see. First target area obviously is back at these 70s where we started that drop move. So it's going to be interesting to see if we can get that press above, which I do believe we do, but we'll see if markets can get back into the 74 to 75s. That's our first area to look for an interesting short there. All right, our best area is obviously going to be around these 80s. See if price can hold that and then come back down. So that's going to be what we're looking for. Let's take a look at a 5 tick here real quickly. Did have some nice movement, did have this nice structural support hold, and then the market held support a little bit higher, move right back into this level 69.75. And again, we'll be targeting these 74.50s first, and then up above somewhere around these 80 to 81s. That's gonna be a target level. So that's what we're looking for. If price does fail this stuff, it's gonna look like this and maybe come back into these 61s, maybe as low as 59.50, and then get that pop back. But underneath 57, we can see a slip down. Um, Underneath this 57, we can see a slip down into these 45s. So we'll pay attention to that. Let's take a look at gold here real quickly. Gold level still working out nicely. Do have some resistance sitting up here between these 11 to 14s. Price did hold it. Nice double top on that move and then came right back down. Some strong support sitting between these 08 to 06s. That's a good level of support. Underneath that level, you're going to be 1900, 1901. But we're still holding this upside. Looks like we're going to probably retest these 13 to 14s again. Maybe tonight if we do fail it, then we're going to look for that continuational move back down into these 07 to 08s, and then below that 1900s. That's what we're going to be looking at. Let's take a look at a 5 tick on gold as well. Gold, this 5 tick, we can see if we zoom in a little bit more of a structured movement. Again, you see where we struggled to get back through that level, and again we struggled again, and then we move right back down. Nice little double bottom move, came right back up, held some nice support, and we're back to trying to press that resistance again. Still in a bullish kind of movement right now, micro bullish kind of movement, so we are looking for this market to come up into these 13 or 14s, fail it, and if we do, get that move back down. When we get priced back into these 06 to 08s, we can look for a structural support. Did dip a little bit deeper on the prior, right into those 05s. If we do continue to hold this level, we can see another retest and then a move right back up to these 10 to 11. So we'll be patient to wait that out. Right now we're coming into resistance, so we'll see if price can get there, fail it, and then try to get our move back down on gold. But that is going to be our levels for S&P 500 and also gold. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them here on YouTube. If you guys did like these videos, please smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you are, I really appreciate you guys watching the videos. You guys have a great night and take care. We'll chat later.